In this video, we will look at some of the top portable air conditioners on the market. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these portable air conditioners, you can check out the links in the description below. The best is first on our list. BLACK+DECKER 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner with remote control. Quiet and powerful, our 6,000 BTU DO compact air conditioner will keep you cool and comfortable all summer. An adjustable fan speed cools the air to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at the coolest setting. Sleep mode makes it extra quiet while you rest. Perfect for small rooms, this floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 150 square feet. It's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Simple and quick to install, just wheel this portable air conditioner into any room with a double-hung or sliding window. Attach the included hose and window adapter and plug it into an outlet. At the end of the season, just unhook and store. Easy to use and clean, the simple remote control and top-mounted LED display with a 24-hour timer to allow you to precisely control the air temperature. To clean the filter, just slide it out twice a month, rinse it thoroughly under running water, and put it back. 3-in-1 functionality combines 3 energy-efficient functions for all of your cooling and ventilation needs with cool, fan, and dehumidifying modes all in one machine. Bucket-less, self-evaporating operation makes your living space cool, clean, and dry. Noise-reflecting off hard surfaces such as a floor or wall can make the sounds seem louder than they actually are. Installation instruction: clean the air filters at minimum distance gap of clearance from the air intake. Make the length of the exhaust hoses as short as possible. Set the unit to cooling mode. Make sure the unit is leveled. Drain water from the drain plug at the back of the air conditioner. The second best on our list. DeLonghi portable air conditioner 14,000 BTU. Super quiet. Stay cool, don't hear it. With noise reduction up to 4 dB, this unit provides a powerful stream of cold air with just a whisper. Powerful cooling. This powerful machine can evenly and efficiently lower the temperature of your room up to 700 square feet. Eco-real feel. Saving up to 30% in energy consumption, this exclusive feature auto-adjusts temperature for the most comfortable cool, depending on humidity levels. Energy efficiency. With features like Eco-real feel, this portable AC unit can save energy up to 30%. Trustworthy quality. At DeLonghi, our products are not only innovative and efficient, but they're also tested, durable, and built to last. Unique comfort. DeLonghi has the only room AC that accounts for your room climate by measuring temperature and humidity, cooling and drying to match the comfort you crave. Cool Surround technology. New Cool Surround smart sensing feature monitors temperature, humidity, and your position in the room, adjusting automatically to maintain your optimal surroundings. Wattage: 1345 watts. Voltage: 115 volts. The third best on our list. COSTWAY portable air conditioners, 8,000 BTU air conditioner unit, spaces up to 230 square feet. Fan mode and 2 optional fan speed. The multiple functional portable air conditioner offers fan mode as well as cool, dry, and sleep modes to meet various needs of users. Under the fan mode, there are 2 fan speeds accessible, and you can set the high or low speed as you wish. Sleeping mode and quiet operation. In sleeping mode, this air conditioner will become quiet. It's able to maintain the temperature while you are sleeping. And you can use the 24-hour timer in combination to free you from additional worries. Fahrenheit and Celsius display data. Like most air conditioners, the temperature settings of this portable air conditioner range from 64 to 86. The temperature display data can be switched between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The default is Celsius, but you can choose the unit that you are familiar with. Remote control and wide coverage. There is a modern design that everyone loves, the remote control, that allowing you to set it up conveniently. The compact 8,000 BTU air conditioner unit delivers fast, effective cooling for spaces up to 230 Sq.Ft in home, office, cabin or camper. Multiple safety protection functions. This air conditioner features multiple safety protection functions, such as 24-hour timer to set times as needs, water full indicator light to show when the internal bucket is full, self-evaporation system designed to save energy and efforts of pouring water, etc.